Howdy neighbors, we are at it again, making a mess. So we discovered that it takes about 2 days for a crew of 2 to remove each section of roof between those big steel girders. That's doing it by hand, removing the metal, then the multiple layers of tar, and then the individual boards and rafters. Because it's so rotten, you've got to tie off, and it's a slow, painstaking process. However, in only about 2 hours, we can remove the entire section of roof. And it's about 16 feet wide by 52 feet long. So even though it looks scary and destructive, it's actually much safer and much cheaper to destroy the roof in this fashion. You can see we built a contraption on the front of this forklift that just crunches right through that roof and lets it fall in pieces on the floor. Makes it quite easy to pick it up and put it in a dumpster. If you look closely, you can see that we have protected the forklift with a couple sheets of heavy 3/4 inch plywood. And you can see the new sections of roof that we've already replaced and how much better it looks.